When we think about the things we use every day, we rarely think about the impact they leave behind. A single shoe, simple and ordinary, can carry an invisible trail of emissions that stretches across continents. Materials are extracted, processed, shipped, and discarded, all leaving a footprint on the planet. For decades, this was considered normal, inevitable, unchangeable. But in 2024, Alberts asked a question that challenged the fashion industry itself. What if that footprint could disappear? What if a shoe could exist without leaving a mark on the earth? What would it take to design something truly net zero? Not by offsetting, not by marketing claims, but by real, measurable actions. This is the story of Moonshot, the world's first verified net zero carbon shoe. It is not just a product, it is a journey, a blueprint. A quiet revolution disguised as a simple pair of sneakers. Our story begins on the open fields of New Zealand, where merino sheep graze across landscapes cared for through regenerative farming. The land is treated as a living ecosystem that needs balance and respect. The wool used in Moonshot comes from farms that restore soil health, protect biodiversity, and naturally remove carbon from the atmosphere. For Alberts, this became the foundation of the shoe, materials designed not just to reduce harm but to give back to the environment. From the farms, the wool travels to innovators reimagining how footwear materials can be created. Traditional foam soles are among the most carbon-intensive parts of a shoe, so Alberts chose a different path. They used sweet foam, a carbon-negative material derived from sugarcane that absorbs more carbon during growth than it emits during production. Every component of the shoe was questioned and redesigned with a single goal in mind: reaching absolute zero. Achieving zero, however, required more than better materials. It required rethinking entire systems. Alberts partnered with factories powered by renewable energy. They optimized transportation routes to minimize emissions. They removed unnecessary packaging. The objective was progress, measured honestly and shared openly. Transparency became the heart of the campaign. Every emission was calculated and documented. Alberts published the full life cycle assessment and even open-sourced its carbon methodology, inviting other companies to adopt and improve it. Sustainability, they believed, should not be a competition but a shared responsibility. As the shoes moved towards launch, the Moonshot campaign reached audiences worldwide. People lined up in New York, London, and Dubai. In Seoul and Tokyo, the story resonated with communities who value natural materials and craftsmanship. Online, the message spread through Instagram Reels, LinkedIn updates, and YouTube cinematic storytelling. The impact of the campaign was clear. Environmentally, it proved that net zero products are possible today. Socially, it supported communities and educated consumers. Economically, it strengthened Alberts' reputation through trust and transparency. Moonshot is not the final step. It is the beginning of a movement that challenges the industry to imagine a future where zero becomes the new standard. Zero is not emptiness. Zero is potential. Zero is the future we can create together.